Hey guys, welcome to the show. Jack Scalfani here. It's the Cooking with Jack show. Just want to ask you guys, please subscribe, hit the notification bell that they ask if you want to be notified when a new video comes up. This way, because a lot of you have been saying you haven't been notified, it's probably because you haven't hit the notification bell. So go ahead and do that. But today, I got so many things I want to tell you about. But let's start with just today's video. This is I just want to show you, this is another baking cooker. I'm not doing it today. Whoops, that just fell on the floor. I'm not doing that today, but what I am doing is another seasoning battle. So if you guys are ready, we're going to try out some seasonings. We're going to show you all we're going to try out. I'll get it all laid out. But and I'll even show you the one that I'm really fond of lately. I've been using a lot lately. So I'll show you everything. Just come on in close. We can take a look at it. Don't forget, if you want to grab one of my shirts, one of my hats, there's a merchandise shelf right there. You can go to my store, check out all the merchandise I got, the blankets, the stickers, and all that fun stuff. But anyway, in the meantime, let's get our seasoning on. All right, first let's talk about the one that I'm really excited about. This line is at Sam's Club. And a lot of you have told me about this. You already know about this, but like, it's called Kinder or Kinders. It's this dude that's on the bottle right there. But what a great line. There's like 8, I think. 8 different seasonings. This is the wood-fired garlic one. This is probably the best one of them all. This was our winner when we did the seasoning battle. But anyway, that's what I'm into right now. Put that off to the side. So I'm walking through the store and I got a great deal on a barbecue. It does everything. It smokes. It does 4-in-1. It's a smoker. It's a gas grill. It's a charcoal. It's everything. It's wood. I mean, it does everything. So I'm going to be reviewing that soon, hopefully any day now. But in the meantime, all the seasonings also were on sale. So I got all these seasonings dirt cheap because they're unloading all the barbecue stuff because we're heading into fall. And what they don't know is we barbecue all year round. True grillers will grill all year round. But anyway, so we got Blackstone over here and we got Cuisinart over here. Today's battle is going to be Blackstone against itself and Cuisinart. We'll tell you which one of the Cuisinarts is the best. And then we'll tell you which one is the Blackstone is the best. All right? So we got a lot going on here. Let's take a look here. What do we got? KC Sweet. Go ahead and pick out which one you think is going to be the favorite. Bourbon Molasses. That one excites me from Cuisinart. And then we've got Roasted Chipotle Garlic. That one excites me. Blue Ribbon Chicken. Not too excited about Nashville Hot. I'm sure they missed the mark on that one. I haven't tried this. I haven't tried any of these yet. All right. And then Blackstone. That was a Cuisinart. And then we got Pineapple Sriracha. That's an interesting combination. This one, Hatch Chili and Cheddar. That's another interesting combination. These are more creative from Blackstone than Cuisinart, I feel. They put more time and effort into the flavor partnering. They put chili with sweet. It's kind of smart. And then you got sweet maple right here. Yep. And then you've got Buffalo Blue. So all of these should be interesting. We're going to try them out. But let's first go with Blackstone. So let's get Blackstone off to the side. Let me get my chicken out, and we'll tell you how we're going to run this. Okay, as you can see, we got our chicken back here. I always found chicken to be the best taker for seasoning. It's the best one to test out seasoning. We've got our 4 pieces. We're going to leave them lined up with their flavors. We're doing the 4 Blackstone. So let's first do the pineapple sriracha. And yes, I'm going to season a little heavy so that we can really taste that seasoning. There we go. There we go. Put that back there. This one is the Hatch Chili and Cheddar. There we go. This one is the sweet maple. And boy, does it smell like maple. Let's pop this open. How do you open this? Oh, there it is. Put it right back there. Then we got the Buffalo Blue. Get that one open. Try that out. There we go. That's more of a finer dust. Interesting. That's grainy. That's kind of middle of the road. That's kind of middle of the road leaning grainy. And that's more of a dust. Anyway, we got the oven going. We're going to pop these in. We'll pull them out and we'll try them out and let you know which one's the best tasting. All right, here we go. The first of two tests going on right now. We're doing all the Blackstone. You guys know Blackstone griddle. I didn't specify that earlier, but that's who Blackstone is. It is Blackstone, right? Yeah, I don't want to be saying it wrong. Yeah, I'm like, what if it's like, I don't know, Black Diamond or something? No, it's Blackstone, like Blackstone griddles, the flat iron griddles. So these are their seasonings. I found them on sale at Walmart. Thought we'd try them all out. We're gonna do the pineapple and sriracha first. That's this one right here. Not too hot. Give it a try. I'm just gonna bite it. There's a little bit of heat, not a lot of flavor. I'm not tasting pineapple at all. I'm really bummed because that's the one I had a lot of hope for. Here on the back end, I'm getting a little bit more heat, more of the sriracha flavoring, but no pineapple at all, which is kind of a bummer. I kind of wanted that pineapple sweetness, but anyway, so that's not really on the mark too much. Let's give this one a try. This is the hatch chilies and cheddar. The hatch chili and cheddar is good. It's a good one. I don't know if it's going to be the best. We'll find out. Excuse me. Sriracha and chili, and then you cough. You got to cough. This one is the sweet maple, right? Yep, sweet maple seasoning right there. Let's give it a try. All right, guys. Sweet maple is exactly that. It's sweet as soon as it touches your lips, and the maple flavor is abounding in flavor. I really like what they did with the sweet maple. They nailed it. The hatch chili and the cheddar. They nailed it. Pineapple sriracha, not yet. They may need to work on that formula. Now let's go to Buffalo Blue. Here we go. It has flavor. It's got the Buffalo Blue flavor, but it's not one that I like. I don't care for it. I would have to say the sweet maple doesn't have a lot of sugar in it, does it? Let's see. No. 1 gram. That's it. I'm really liking, it's kind of between sweet maple and the hatch chili cheddar. So if you don't want sweet, go with the hatch chili cheddar. That's a home run. The other two I don't care for. Not enough pineapple in there. Just doesn't taste good. That's my opinion. You guys might have something different. They're only $4 and change a piece. Try them out. Most seasonings are like $8 a piece, and you don't want to be dealing with it. But yeah, do it on chicken. Can't go wrong. So that's part one. The first seasoning battle. And then let's go to Cuisinart and let's break them out and we'll talk about them. All right, guys, got all our chicken ready to go. Let's go over the flavors. KC Sweet right there. Nashville Hot right here. Bourbon Molasses right here. Roasted Chipotle Garlic. This excites me. And Blue Ribbon Chicken. This one excites me. This Chipotle Roasted Garlic one. So let's do what we did on the last bit. We're going to take we're going to line them up like that. Let's just open them up. Come on. Sometimes the seasoning don't want to come out of the little holes in the lid, so you're going to have to get a little creative. There we go. Let's do this. There you go. There you go. That one came out really fast. Let's do this one. There. All right. I think we're all done here. Last one. KC Sweet. There's somebody watching from Kansas City, I'm sure, rooting for this one. There we go. All done with that. All right, man. I'm all chickened out already. I had all that chicken from the Blackstone seasoning. But let's go through these Cuisinart seasoning right now. First one we're going to try is, let's start with this end. First one is the Blue Ribbon Chicken. Doesn't really impress me that much. Watch, it's like the best one. Here we go. All right, that's better than I thought. A little more peppery though, but it's good. That the Blue Ribbon Chicken. It's got a better flavor than I thought it was going to be. What's next? This is the one I really am excited about. Roasted Chipotle Garlic. Looking for heat, looking for garlic. Let's see what happens. A little salty. All right, that one got a little bit saltier than any of the ones I've tried today so far. Don't taste any garlic. Little bit of heat on the tip of my tongue. Very little. I probably wanted a little more heat, a little more chipotle in it. No, too bad. I wanted this one to do good. But the roasted chipotle garlic, it's not it. It's not what I'm looking for. Let's go to the bourbon molasses. Let's give that a try. Wow. It's way strong. Got a sweetness to it. You can get the molasses out of it. Get a hint of the bourbon. Sweet, salty. That's a good one. I probably wouldn't have bit right into the seasoning like I did. A little too strong. That's my fault, not theirs. They did a good job on the bourbon molasses. That one I'm still interested in trying in the future. All right. Now let's go to Nashville Hot. The only good Nashville Hot, if you guys have a Kroger's near you, Kroger's has a Nashville Hot that I think is the best seasoning, closest to Nashville Hot than anybody's ever released. That's right. So we'll try this one. Maybe this one's good. It's hot. But it's not that Nashville flavoring. I don't know what it's missing. I have to go check my notes on what Nashville hot seasoning should be tasting like, but that's just heat. Doesn't have the Nashville hot flavor. There is a flavor like a cayenne, kind of a heat in the Nashville hot chicken. It's getting warmer and warmer. It's definitely hot. It's good. I like it, but I'm not sure if it's really close to the true Nashville hot that we get at the restaurants. But it's got a nice heat. Yep, it's burning. It's burning good. KC, you guys ready? Get all my Kansas City friends around. Here we go. See if there's any good. That's really interesting. Salty, smoky. It's got kind of like a smoky flavor to it. I like it. There's nothing wrong with it. It's not lacking anything. It's just a unique flavor that I haven't had before in seasoning or barbecue or anything. KC sweet. They nailed it. There is a little sweetness to it. There's a little saltiness. Sweet and salty go together great. You did good on the KC sweet. If I had to pick one, I would pick the blue ribbon one. The one I thought would fail. At least you know I'm honest, right? So the blue ribbon chicken is the one. I have one more piece of chicken I had cut up. I'm going to season all that. My mouth's still burning from the Nashville hot. But yeah, I would have to say the blue rib chicken. That's crazy. But there you go. That's your winner amongst the Cuisinart. All right? You guys take care. Got more seasoning heading your way. I love doing seasoning. I love seasoning battles. And I love you. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.